uses to punish his people. Not good deeds. On punish. You need a job. No, bro, because I don't have money for that goat as well. I know. Fuck you, bro. Go to hell with that professor of yours, bro. I want a prophet that can grow my life and take me somewhere. Not a prophet that would demand from my empty pocket, bro. If I don't compromise, because fuck you, bro. You won't even help me. You are hungry where you are, bro. Fuck you, bro. I'm telling you, fuck off, bro. Because ningamandlozi nilambile la nikhona ndinga amandla ethu futhi as well. Sila ngaphandle fanele sihaslishele nina. Yet again nginqi imoto zethu masizamile. Fuck you, bro. No one has been telling you the truth. Abantu basaba banqenqa akwenziwa njalo emadlozini. Fuck you. I know. Hey, Lola. Lalela, bro. If you can hold hands with someone who speak truth like this, then Zobon. Hayi, Zobon yaphila isikhathi eside. I'm crossing the air, bro. I stay where I put a fingerprint, bro. When you are staying where you are in a shack. And when you are believing in them, they are weak with you as well. Because you are weak to them and they are weak with you. Azobona amadlozi lawa azobulala wena mfana ngoba usukhulume kanjalo. Fuck you, bro. Let them kill me. No one can kill me, bro. No one. I'm telling you, no one. All these religions, they must fuck off, bro. They must pack their bags and fuck off, bro. Because they've been playing the lives of people, bro. I'm telling you. Uzama celebrities ekhuluma ngamadlozi engathi awasebenzele knowing exactly that they sold their souls in the dark, bro. It's so sad ukuthi ama celebrities they see it on those high tables bakutshele ngamadlozi no amadlozi asithatha sibeka la sikhona knowing exactly that they sold their souls in the dark kingdom. They've been working for Illuminati to become who they are. Hey Baba, stop lying to us. We are here to tell you the truth, Baba. I know, hey. I tell man, even the celebrities, that's what they've been lying, they sold their souls, bro, for that fame. If a was back on, then why better I say it's solely out for that fame? They did not. They did not get any reward from them. They are just there to hide. Just like abafundisi men hide under the Bible and not even living that life that they preach every day, bro. The very same Sangoma is using your 200 rand to buy electricity in the other houses, bro. When you are struggling and hungry with your family. But now they are using that money to buy anything they want in their houses. And when you are struggling. Busy abalandela no toza gogo toza kehla ngilekelele yet when you're sponsoring them to buy electricity and food with your money. If they were helping you, let them take nothing from you. They are not helping you. They are taking something from your empty pocket as well. Tell them to fuck off, bro. You've been quiet for so long. What stops you to speak the truth, bro? I know. We must speak the truth. We are living in this very sad world where the rich get rich and the poor get poor every day. And no one is speaking out for that. I'm telling you, I know. Don't speak like that. Amadlozi azopunish. Maphi, bro. Imaphi lawo madlozi lawo. Imaphi amadlozi azongiphanisha, bro. Maphi. Lawa ahlulekile ukuphanisha ukufa kuza kona. Fanele aphanishe mina ehlule ukufa. Okubulale wona abaphanishanga. Ofane mina ophila ufane ngiphanishwe. Ahlule ukufa okuyingozi kona. Afa. Don't lie here, bro. Don't tell me shit here, bro. Don't tell me shit here, bro. These people have been in prison for so long, bro. No one's speaking for them. These people have been speaking, they've been in prison for so long, and no one is speaking for them. No, amadlozi azobulala, amadlozi azobulala, amadlozi azobulala, amadlozi ahlule ukubulala ukufa ukubulale wona azafike ekufeni. Then fanele abulale mina ophilayo. Mina I've conquered death, I'm alive. Wona file. Alambile la khona, I'm the one who is supposed to feed them as well. Then I want a donkey. Ana ubuya la claim ukubulala, zobulala mina, zoginqa nemoto mina. Fuck you, bro. You must respect your elders. I'm your elder, bro. You must respect me. I bring charities to you, bro. You must respect someone who feed you, bro. Respect them. No, amadlozi. Fuck you, bro. I'm the one who feed the amadlozi, bro. You come here, you claim that you're gonna take my life. For what? Fuck you, bro. No, bro, those people, they died. Those people, they died. They couldn't conquer that death. They can't even conquer this life that I have. They failed the life and they went to the grave. They never paid enough their medical aids. They believed in the charms that did not even help them. Yet they claim that they know now what's better that can work for us. No, bro. Should have known that before you die. No. Full sake, bro. I'm here to tell you the truth. I'm here to tell you the truth. I go nenyanga yoto no misangoma mina convince from the truth that I have, bro. Ageko no yedonga convince. No one can come and challenge me. Akukho nomfundiso ongeza la challenge because I feed your God, bro. I give to that church for the pastor to be full in his stomach, bro. You don't even come here and claim powers over me. You can't. No one can come and claim from my life, bro. I know, but which one? Which church, bro? The one that I feed the pastor into? No, I feed the pastor there. I'm the one who feed that pastor, bro. Your God is sitting in heaven, enjoying the street of gold. I mean, I'm feeding his son here. Yet again, he be punished for my sins. Hey, bro, until you speak the truth, bro. Nina very goodness and food. All of you are angry with me. Hi, yabona lo mfana lo full sake, bro. You are not manning up. You are not manning up. Your very same God is not killing the pastors that are fucking our ladies in the church. They fuck all the worshippers. They fuck them sexually. And no one, and your God is quiet about it. It's not even fighting for those women. If they open cases, it's not even bringing justice for them. But claiming sins on our lives. I know, sinners, fuck you. You don't do that to us. We don't rape your daughters in the church. Your very same pastors, they rape the daughters of your very same God in the church. Yet me now when I drink alcohol, your God is angry with me. Fuck you. You don't even get angry with those people that rape your daughters in the church. You look at them and you keep quiet. Yet me no puseluchwala, yet I did not rape those ladies. You want to kill me. You tell me I'm the biggest sinner. Fuck you, bro. If this means I can lose heaven, fuck you, then fuck heaven as well. Because I cannot compromise this truth, bro. Amanda by totally justice, your God is quiet. I don't know why. I'm telling you, you guys have been quiet for so long, and no one is speaking out this truth. When you speak out the truth, everyone is angry. No. Gulunkulu this, Gulunkulu that, Gulunkulu this, Gulunkulu that. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you with your God, bro. Because your God is quiet when these ladies are getting raped in the church, bro. Believing that they are going to your God and they get raped inside the church. And your God is quiet. Yet your God claims that they are sinners outside, leaving your pastors to sin in the church. Fuck you, bro. Don't come to us and tell us shit. Where is your God when these women are getting raped? Our grandmothers, they were loyal to your God, paying 10% every month. They got sick of cancer, they died. Yet your God claims to be a healer. And you come to us and you tell us that, no, don't worry. Fuck you, bro. I have to worry, bro. I've been losing for so long and everything is quiet, bro. They say, no, fuck you, bro. I'm not hurt. I'm living my amazing life, me. I'm telling the truth. Umuntu okhuluma iqiniso nithi ulimele nina hayi lo muntu ulimele. Fuck you, bro. I know limele. Fuck you, bro. You guys compromise the truth and shit it with lies. Akekho umuntu olimele lana. Sikutshela iqiniso nje. It's the sad truth. Where is your God when these women in the church they get raped? Where is your God? Umfundisi wakho akhiphe ipipi lakhe andeni arape ama-worshippers and your God is quiet. Yet eclaim ukuthi izangoma fanele zesihogweni. Zenzeni zona? Zenzeni? No inyanga zesihogweni zenzeni zona? Pastors did rape in the church. He can't even come down and defend those girls. Yet he is able to put people in the hell. Fuck you, God. If this means I should die today, then let me die. Because I can't keep quiet with the truth. When I'm telling you, I'm here to be the voice of people. And no one is paying attention to that. No, this, that. Fuck you, bro. You've been telling us for so long that your God is this. And it doesn't come to respond down here on earth. Yet it claim our lives that we'll go to hell. Fuck you, bro. We don't care about your heaven. Do you think we care? We've been in hell in this earth. For so long we've been living in hell. We've been losing our beloved ones. People who have been faithful to you, bro. Paying a tithe every month. People who have been living loyal to you, bro. In your name, bro. And you leave him to go away with their monies. You don't even bring justice to them. But you claim that they will go to hell. Fuck you with your hell. We don't care about anything, bro. Till now we've been through hell. For all times we've been through hell. And people have been quiet for so long. And in the Nenza and in the Niazi in the Baguti, I know, asingakhulumi, wena njobu khulumu zoqaleki. So fuck you. I've been living under that curse for so long. South Africa is under a curse for so long. No, we pray for our leaders. Which leaders? Ramaphosa that cannot even take care of his country. Fuck you, bro. We cannot compromise this truth. Huh. No, this boy is gonna die. Fuck you, bro. We all gonna go to grave. Don't speak about my death as in like when I'm going to remain here for 200 years. No, you are following me very soon as I go. Don't speak like we are going to stay here forever. No. The truth should be out. I know. No, yabona. No, Lona. No. Imali mpande sono. Then why should we live through money? We shouldn't have money as well. No, imali mpande sono. Yet again, leyo mpande sono yona siyidinga ukuthi siphile. If we reject the man, we cannot live. Why we should reject what's giving life to us? I know Putin. Don't be like that. Yes, I'm a Putin myself. I don't care. No, imali mpande sono. Siphi sono? If imali mpande sono, then asinganikeli because imali mpande sono. I know, yeah. If imali mpande sono, abafundisi bawuthathelana umnikelo because isona isono lesabasamukelayo. Even though Jesus took the coins, even when they sold him, they used the coins. Yet imali mpande sono. You know, you've been in prison. Imali mpande son, you need money for a living. You guys have been quiet for so long. I know. Ila bro vela la ewindini angeke ngize lapha emnyango oza la ewindini. Sure. Kura ungavula lapha ekitchen nibe lapha ekitchen then umese uyavala. I don't know how uzamphusha umnyango lapha. I think it's not locked.
Okay.
We will continue the match later. I'm having a family time. What match you want with me, bro? You've been swearing on me and you are coming in my life. You are telling me you want to have a match with me. What match you want to have with me? I don't play any match here. I'm not doing any content here. We sangoma just can swear on other people. Your very same gay that is in the house. And you guys have been calling it then calling ikolo lami exactly and you guys don't know who the fuck I am. I would have done anything to you for that, but I didn't. I thought about it. I'm not drunk, you were, and I left. I didn't attend to you. I've got all power to attend to you, but I didn't. And in Anifianity, I know Putin is having a beautiful heart. Taban, I'm coming back for you. Coming back for who? I'm not your friend. Don't even come back for me. Come back for amahlo zakho la wenza isihlama njengoba isihlama nje. Don't come for me. Fanele come back for amahlo zakho la wenza isilima. Njengoba du isiphuphu ku social media zolo lo. Uthuka inhlamba udaka utshwala zolo lo. Uveza amabele on social media zolo lo. Amahlo zakhe ke embarrasa ukhuluma ngomshado ushile ukulala nogobela and stuff zolo lokho, and you want to come back for me, yet you are failing to come back for abantu abafuna ukudlwengula. You don't go back for people who don't care about you. Nina ufuna ukulandelela into ezingenamsebenzi nini. Awulandelela izinto ezingenamsebenzi, ulandelela izinto ezinomsebenzi empilweni yakho. I'm telling you, lo muntu fanele abuyele back ayolwa nomuntu ambulalela umshado wakhe. Ukobela ufuna ukulala naye. Not me, bro. I've done nothing to you. Why are you swearing on them? I cannot just keep quiet. Umuntu ezongitshela ukuthi uye emathuneni yongcwaba mina. Then I have to be humble for that old man who tell me straight on my face ukuthi mina I'm going to kill you. Now I'm supposed to be friendly with him and say no mkhulu, no, fuck you, bro. Go back, bro. How more fuck is Tombe sami emathuneni? I mean, if I want to kill you, I'll fucking kill you, man. I don't want to kill you. I believe you must have life. If I didn't want you to have life, I was going to get a gun and shoot you, bro. But I don't want that. I don't want blood on my hands, bro. When I fuck off with your amahlo zakho, that's all I can say. Fuck you, bro. You've been telling people that you are going to kill me. And whenever labantu laba mangabe masechela phambi kwabantu ukuthi you are not going to kill me, abantu baba angry, but no, this guy doesn't respect. Fuck you, bro. You don't know where I'm coming from with that story. You just judge the story at the end. You don't know the beginning of the story. I know. Hey, Lona, we are telela abantu abadala. Fuck you, bro. Lo muntu thwebula amathuna kini uSnoopy lo. Fuck you, bro. You don't know me.